Looking for the best blender on Amazon? Whether you're making smoothies, frozen drinks, soups, or protein shakes, we've found the top blenders that deliver power, performance, and value. Want the latest prices, full features, and real customer reviews? Check the product links in the description below. Stay until the end to discover which blender is the best overall choice. Let's get started. Product 5, Ninja BL770 Kitchen System Blender 1500 watt. Meet the blender that moonlights as your kitchen sidekick. One base, endless cravings, smoothies, salsa, dough, and more. 1500 watts wake up ice, fruit, and stubborn ingredients. Watch frozen chunks disappear into silky, snow-like perfection. The XL pitcher handles family-size blends with ease. Total crushing blades power through big batch recipes fast. Need a quick boost? Grab the 16-ounce to-go cups. Blend, twist on the lid, and head out energized. Switch gears to the 8-cup processor bowl. Chop vegetables evenly, puree smoothly, and prep smarter. The dough blade mixes up to 2 pounds quickly. 4 functions simplify every recipe. Blend, mix, crush, single serve. 4 unique blades match every task with precision. From breakfast shakes to dinner prep, it does more. Upgrade your countertop with Ninja Power. Check the link below for the latest price and full details. Product 4, Oster Pro 1200 Blender with Glass Jar 1200W. Meet the Oster Pro 1200, your blender's new overachiever. With 1200 watts, it crushes ice like a gym bro. Frozen fruit, greens, it powers through them without drama. 7 speeds and smart settings make guessing completely unnecessary. Just one touch for smoothies, salsas, or milkshakes. Dual direction blades spin forward and reverse for extra muscle. That means smoother blends, fewer chunks, and happier taste buds. The extra wide 3.5-inch blade system keeps ingredients moving. No stubborn spinach hiding in the corners like a ninja. Use the 6-cup glass jar for family-size blending. Or grab the 24-ounce to-go cup and sprint out. It even handles thermal shock because kitchen chaos happens. Pulse control gives you precision when recipes need a little attitude. Built with an all-metal drive and 10-year limited warranty. Want more info? See the product link in the description. Product 3, Ninja BL610 Professional Blender 1000U XL Pitcher. Ever wish smoothies could taste like cafe drinks at home? Mine always turned out chunky, watery, or just plain frustrating. Then I found the Ninja Professional Blender. It brings 1000 watts of serious blending power. Total crushing blades break down ice and frozen fruit fast. No more stopping to stir or shake things around. The XL 72-ounce pitcher handles family-size batches easily. Perfect for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, and dips. I love how smoothly it turns ice into snow. Even tough ingredients blend into a creamy, even texture. The controls are simple with speeds and pulse options. Cleanup is easy too, thanks to the BPA-free pitcher. Just pop it on the top rack dishwasher safe. For busy families and smoothie lovers, this is a smart pick. Try the Ninja Professional Blender and blend better every day. View pricing, features, and reviews in the description below. Product 2, Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender 1400 W. A countertop storm brews. Ordinary ingredients tremble in anticipation. Enter Ninja Professional Plus, sleek, bold, ready for action. 1400 peak watts launch ice into snow in seconds. Frozen fruit disappears fast, transforming into velvety smoothie magic. Total crushing blades handle rocks of ice effortlessly. 3 Auto IQ presets start blending with one simple touch. Pulse, blend, pause. Perfect timing without any guesswork. From morning smoothies to creamy desserts, every recipe shines. The 72-ounce pitcher serves the whole family at once. Make big batches for brunches, parties, and meal prep. Pour cleanly with the spill-free lid and smooth spout. Cleanup is easy. Dishwasher-safe parts save precious time. Explore sauces, soups, and frozen treats with recipe inspiration. Powerful, intelligent, family-ready. This blender turns routine into delight. Click the link below to learn more about this product. Product 1, NutriBullet Blender Combo 1200 watt full-size system. Tired of weak blenders that leave chunky smoothies behind? Frustrated by switching appliances for every recipe? Annoyed when cleanup takes longer than blending itself? The NutriBullet blender combo handles all of that calmly. Its 1200-watt motor powers through tough ingredients fast. 3 speeds, pulse, and extract give precise control. Make silky smoothies, warm soups, and rich sauces easily. Use the 64-ounce pitcher for family-sized batches. Grab the single-serve cup when you need speed. Both options fit busy mornings and flexible routines. The stainless steel blade creates smoother, more consistent results. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple and stress-free. Now healthy recipes feel easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Blend more, struggle less, and enjoy every nutritious sip. NutriBullet brings convenience, power, and versatility to your kitchen. Check the description for the latest deal and details. Enjoyed this? Like, comment, and subscribe.